Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study maths chapter 10 practical geometry. Exercise 10.4. First question has given construct triangle ABC. Given measure of angle A is equal to 60 degree, measure of angle B is equal to 30 degree and AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. It means आपको एक ट्रायंगल ए बी सी की रचना करनी है जिसमें एंगल ए का मेज़र 60 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, एंगल बी का मेज़र 30 डिग्री और साइड ए बी 5.8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. Students, first of all, draw a rough diagram of triangle ABC. Okay, draw a rough diagram of triangle ABC. Okay, A, B, C, where AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter, angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now we are going to construct triangle ABC. First of all, draw a line segment AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Okay, draw a line segment AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Okay, 5.8 centimeter. Give the name A, B. Length of AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Okay, now at A, draw an angle of 60 degree with the help of ruler and compasses. First of all, take any required radius and with A as center, draw an arc like this. Okay, draw an arc which intersect to line segment AB at X. Okay, now with the same radius, with X as center, draw an arc with the same radius. Okay, which intersect to previous arc at Y. Okay, now now join A to Y. Okay, join A to Y and extend it up to Z. Okay, it is Z. Okay, now at B, draw an angle of 30 degree. To draw the angle of 30 degree, take any required radius. With B as center, draw an arc which intersect to AB at P. Okay, with the same radius, with P as center, draw another arc which intersect to previous arc at Q. Okay, now draw the bisector of PQ because it is 60 degree angle. To draw the 30 degree angle, we have to bisect this arc, bisect this angle. Okay, so to draw the bisector, we have to take the radius more than half of PQ. Okay, more than half of PQ. PQ के आधे से अधिक रेडियस लेकर. Okay, with P and Q as center, with P and Q as center, draw two arcs which intersect to each other at R. Okay, Now join B to R. Now join B to R and extend it up to S. Okay, extend it up to S, which intersect to AZ at C. Okay, it is 30-degree angle, it is 60-degree angle. Okay, thus triangle ABC is the required triangle. Okay, next question, question number second. Question number second has given construct triangle PQR if PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, measure of angle PQR is equal to 105 degree and measure of angle QRP is equal to 40 degree. Hint, recall angle some property of a triangle. It means आपको एक ट्रायंगल PQR की रचना करनी है जिसमें साइड PQ का लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर है. मेजर ऑफ एंगल PQR मीन्स एंगल Q 105 डिग्री एंड एंगल R 40 डिग्री है. ओके, सबसे पहले हमें एंगल P फाइंड करना होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं कि एंगल PQR मीन्स एंगल Q दिया हुआ है 105 डिग्री एंड एंगल R 40 डिग्री. ओके, बट एंगल P नहीं दिया है. ओके, वी नो दैट द सम ऑफ 3 इंटीरियर angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Here is given two angles 105 degree and 40 degree. So the third angle फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, 2 एंगल्स को प्लस करेंगे. ओके, उसके बाद 180 डिग्री में से माइनस कर देंगे. मीन्स 105 प्लस 40 इज इक्वल टू 145. ओके, नाउ 180 माइनस 145 इज इक्वल टू 35 degree. Okay, angle P is equal to 35 degree. Now see the solution of question number second. Student, first of all draw a rough diagram of triangle PQR. Okay, triangle PQR. Okay, student, first of all draw a rough diagram of triangle PQR. Okay, where PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, angle PQR is equal to 105 degree, angle PQR 105 degree and angle QRP is equal to 40 degree. Okay, first of all find angle P. We know that the sum of 3 interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree according to angle sum property. So 105 plus 40 is equal to 145 degree. Now 180 degree minus 145 degree is equal to 35 degree. Okay, now we are going to construct triangle PQR. First of all draw a line segment PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, PQ 5 centimeter. Now Draw an angle of 105 degree with the help of ruler and compasses. To draw the angle of 105 degree, first of all, draw an angle of 60 degree. Okay. To draw the angle of 60 degree, take any required radius. With Q as center, draw an arc which intersect to line segment PQ at X. Okay. With the same radius, with X as center, draw another arc which intersect to previous arc at Y. Okay. With Y as center, with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect to previous arc at Z. Okay. Now it is 120 degree angle. Okay. To draw the angle of 90 degree, we have to draw the bisector of YZ. Okay. To draw the bisector of YZ, we have to draw two arcs. Okay. Take the radius more than half of YZ. YZ के आधे से अधिक रेडियस लेकर और टू आर्क्स लगाना है. ड्रा टू आर्क्स with Y and Z. Okay. Suppose that both arcs intersect to each other at S. Okay. Now join Q to S. Okay. With dotted line. After that, suppose that this dotted line intersect to YZ at T. Okay. Now with T and Z as center, take the radius more than half of ZT. Okay. ZT के आधे से अधिक रेडियस लेकर टू आर्क्स लगाएंगे. ओके. Both arcs intersect to each other at U. Okay. Now join Q to U and extend it up to W. Okay. It is 105 degree angle. 60, 30, 90 plus 15, 105 degree. Okay. Now at P, draw an angle of 35 degree. At P, draw an angle of 35 degree. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 35. Now join. -35 okay. This line intersect to QW at R. Okay. Angle R already 40 degree. You can measure it. It is already 40 degree. Okay. 40 degree. It is the required triangle PQR. Okay. Next question, question number 3rd. Examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, measure of angle E is equal to 110 degree and measure of angle F is equal to 80 degree. Justify your answer. Okay. Means क्या आप एक ट्रायंगल DEF कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं, रचना कर सकते हैं। यदि EF, इसका साइड EF 7.2 सेंटीमीटर है, मेजर ऑफ एंगल E 110 डिग्री है, और मेजर ऑफ एंगल F 80 डिग्री है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, you know that the sum of three interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree according to angle sum property. Okay, but here is already 110 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 190 degree, which is greater than 180 degree. 190 degree is greater than 180 degree. It means we cannot construct triangle DEF. Okay, because the sum of two angle is greater than 180 degree. Okay, now see the solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3. No, we cannot construct triangle DEF because angle E plus angle F is greater than 180 degree. 110 plus 80 is greater than 180 degree. Okay, we know that the sum of three interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, but here is sum of two angle is greater than 180 degree, so we cannot construct triangle DEF. Okay, thanks.